Welcome back to Autistic. Today's short tutorial is all about using the SQL WHERE clause to filter your data and make your queries more specific. We'll look at how WHERE works, go over operators you can use, and look at practical examples that show how to select just the data you want. The WHERE clause lets you choose which rows to include. In this example, we're selecting only users whose age is greater than 18. You can compare values using operators like equals, not equals, and greater than. You can also match patterns with like, check a range with between, or check a list of options with in. Logical operators let you combine conditions. Here we're selecting users who are over 18 and live in the USA. This query filters the orders table to return only those where the total is at least 50 and the status is shipped. The WHERE clause is a small part of SQL with a big impact. It's how you ask your database to focus only on the data that matters to your current task. Let's keep learning and growing together. Drop your questions in the comments and check out the full SQL series playlist. Thank you.